Hey guys, we
right
are doing a video about planting. We actually ended up planting all of our other seeds, and we forgot to take a video. But we ended up emptying out an egg carton today, and wanted to do a little video on that. This is just to start out the seeds. Like, they're not going to stay in here, obviously. They're going to get too big.
You want to help? Just wait. I don't even know what we're going to plant yet.
Yeah, we haven't even figured that out. But we've got... I don't know if you guys can see how much...
Hold on. Some dirt! More dirt. Hold on. Hold on. There's some clumps in here, but
our 3-year-old has been super big on helping.
It's hot. Here, let me.
And my 2-year-old is apparently addicted to coffee. Every time I turn around, he's trying to drink our coffee.
Stand right there, okay?
He wants to help.
He wants to help?
Yeah.
Get some of these weeds out.
Oh, help.
Glad!
I want to touch dirt.
Hold on.
I want to touch dirt.
You want to touch the dirt? You think these are deep enough?
It's too deep.
I think they will. I mean,
it's too deep.
as long as you like move them to something else. No! Quit.
Sharpie?
Yeah, it's gonna bite you. It's gonna hurt.
Yeah, I broke my knife.
I guess as long as we move
my
them
knife's cool. my knife's cool.
Planting containers when they start sprouting.
It's growing.
Yeah.
It's growing.
This is just getting them to sprout, basically.
It's growing.
And this is just good old Oklahoma dirt. None of that fancy garbage. None of their Miracle Grow stuff.
Oh, don't even give me that. You were going to get some that decided just to get dirt on the ground.
Shut up.
I want some dirt.
Good old homegrown fashion way.
That dirt. I want
Homegrown
Boy.
fashion.
Boy!
I want some dirt.
You want to try to do something over here?
That's what I was thinking.
I want some dirt.
Get some dirt.
You want to grow some dirt?
This side's good, Bubba. Quit. Alright, that's good. That's good. Here, we're just going to fill them up. Alright, put some right here.
Okay.
What do we want to plant? I don't know. I mean, we could... I don't want to... They're not deep enough for, like, green onions, I don't think. Unless we, like...
Mound it up.
Mound it up. I don't
know.
I need some of that.
And I don't want to, like...
You need to put more... You need to fill this with dirt, honey. It needs to be all full.
Yep.
I mean, what could we put there?
I don't know.
More seed start, like, plants? Or do you want to do, like, a bulb thing? Like, I don't know. What do you think? I don't know. Let's see what we got. Just fill that with dirt, Bubba.
Yep.
Yep. Fill that with dirt.
Oh my goodness. The stove is dirty.
This stuff is dirty.
Yeah. Stuff's dirty.
Yeah. It's gotta make a mess.
Yeah, make a mess. Yeah.
He cooked last night and he makes messes really bad.
So, hold up. I'll wipe the window off. So we got all the other stuff planted. I say all the other stuff. We got a lot of the other stuff planted. Come here. Can you see it in the back? Come here. Come here. Come here. Condensation. Stupid camper.
Stupid camper.
Right down in the toolbox, all the cups.
Except now we don't know what's in them because he messed up the
I'll know
tags.
what's in it when it comes up. Good job, Bubba.
No more now.
Nope, keep adding dirt. You need more.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh, the phone's dying. You better plug it up. Pause!
Yeah, we're going to pause this. Okay, we've got the phone back on the charger now. Oh, you got the baby.
I have the baby.
Here.
No, I have the baby.
Okay, what do you need?
I don't know. We gotta figure out what we want to put in there.
Okay, we got cucumbers.
These cucumbers are open. I know we have we have 6 cups, starter cups outside already of cucumbers. And there might be enough seed in here to do 3 or 4 more. all these. What are
Now,
these? Just green beans.
something I wanted to talk about real quick. We haven't planted the corn or the green beans yet. And there's a reason for that, is because when we plant corn, we'll plant the green beans and some okra right there with it.
We're going to plant corn with sugar snap peas and the okra with green beans because they'll need something to climb. And I obviously don't want to start corn in an egg crate.
How about we do some radishes in there?
Radishes in there?
Yeah.
Radishes are a 30-day crop though. Like, I can plant those outside in a 3-inch piece of PVC and plant the whole row, and in 30 days have the whole row. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like, that's a quick and easy one. I don't want to use starter cups on that because that's just stupid simple. Cantaloupe. I don't want to do cantaloupes.
Can you pick those up by my foot?
I don't want to do cantaloupes because with it being in the back of the truck, it's going to vine out and we don't really have the room. So let's set that
Here's
one.
our sugar snap peas. I'm so excited for those. I love sugar snap peas. I don't like peas, but I love sugar snap peas.
We're not doing sugar snap peas.
There's your onions.
Not doing onions because that's a quick one. No. No, I don't want to do the green onions yet. Don't want to do green beans. Don't want to do sugar snap peas. I don't really like this butternut squash.
You don't?
Not really. Let's see. Well,
You like the...
I don't want to do watermelons because those are going to vine out too. Oh, and if you need a seed stand, that works perfect. You can kind of flip through and see what you got. Tomatoes, American Delicious.
Here's lettuce.
Lettuce. What is lettuce? Lettuce is 45 days. Lettuce would be a good one right here.
Would it?
Yes, and we could just leave it there because it's leaf lettuce.
I think
It's
the
not
lettuce
else.
has to be planted a 1/2 inch, though.
1/8 inch.
1/8 inch?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that'd work.
It says seeds outdoors from early spring to late summer in a sunny and partially shaded location with well-rich, well-drained soil. Seeds may also be started indoors 3 to 4 weeks before the last frost date. Transplant outdoors after all danger to frost is past. Seedlings when they have 4 leaves to 2 inches apart. Or thin seedling. Okay, so we could do lettuce.
Lettuce?
Right here, and that could honestly probably stay inside in that window.
Yeah. Okay. These, I wanted to talk about these a little bit. They're the peppers of the California Wonders.
They're bell peppers. Quit getting specific. You freaking Yankee.
I'm just saying that the California Wonders, but these, with these ones, if you can pick them when they're green and have green bell peppers, but if you let them ripen, they'll turn red and you'll get the red, sweeter peppers.
Yeah, sweet bell peppers.
Which I don't know. In our family, we use them a lot for some reason. My kids don't really eat potatoes or they'll eat corn, but they don't really eat green beans and stuff like that. They love peppers.
Those are delicious tomatoes.
These are
Beef steaks.
More
Did
onion.
we plant beefsteak? We planted beefsteaks already, didn't we?
I think so.
I think this is the delicious is a hybrid. I don't want to plant a hybrid because I want to be able to use the seeds off of what we
There's more.
plant so we can get another second generation.
We need to get more seeds.
Yeah,
We're
this is-
missing okra and
This is not.
some more. We also planted habanero peppers outside. We need jalapenos.
We need jalapenos. This is just what we had left over from last year, and some of it was given to us to a friend.
Oh.
That's alright, we'll fix it.
I'm binge watching
more-
Game of Thrones right now.
More beefsteak. Beefsteak.
Peppers.
Peppers. We can go ahead and. How many seeds in that package to open peppers? Do we have enough to start a few cups?
I'm sure we do. We tend to put 2 to... Hey, don't hit me.
Go put your underwear on.
I did.
Yeah, look at... We're in the middle.
Pause! We got underwear problems.
Okay, we're back. And underwear problem still isn't fixed.
Shoot.
Hey.
I gave him his underwear to put on because he doesn't quite know how to put it on the right way.
Quit.
And he never put them on.
Hey. Quit it. What are you thinking we should plant? Oh, so we have how much tomatoes? How much? Where'd the beefsteak package go? These.
Okay.
So we have what? Oh yeah, there's quite a few.
Yeah, there's plenty in here.
How many of these do we have? Do you just want to split the cup tray?
We can if you don't think that the peppers are going to give the tomatoes a funny taste. Well, they're in separate things.
It won't hurt them. Yeah, we can do 6 tomatoes, 6 more bell peppers.
And then more lettuce.
Well, the thing about the lettuce is, though, if we planted that whole tray, there would be enough for half a bowl of salad. You know what I mean?
We have that whole thing outside, though. One of those outside is lettuce.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
No, it's not. We had 6 trays. We have bell pepper, tomato, squash, cucumber,
Habaneros.
and habaneros. 6 trays.
Okay.
I knew I wouldn't have planted those in a cup. But it's only a 45-day harvest. And after Monday's our last scheduled frost, I think, isn't it?
Yeah.
Why don't we wait on lettuce, onions, and green beans, or lettuce, green onions, and radishes until we get PVC trays in the truck?
Okay, so what
Because those are all quick. Plant them, a month later have them. So I don't think we need to early seed start those. I feel like it would just be a waste of time. By the time we were set up to put everything in cucumbers, by the time we were set up to put everything in PVC, they would be almost ready to pick anyways.
Okay. I guess we're gonna go ahead and try to plant the cucumbers in that one. I don't think there's enough.
There's not enough to do the whole tray. We're gonna have to put more dirt in here.
Unless you want to put half of it cucumbers and half of it squash.
Yeah, but all we have is that butternut squash. Or no, we have.
Yeah, we have the.
Oh heck yeah, long neck. Or crook neck, I think it's called. Yeah, let's do half squash and half cucumbers.
Okay.
Do more bell peppers, more tomatoes, squash, and cucumbers. That'd give us 6 more of each. That would put us at 18 tomatoes, a dozen bell, a dozen cucumber, and a dozen squash. Does that work?
Yep. Okay. Alright, we're going to hit pause on this.
Hold on, let me just... Oh, you can hit pause if you want to. I'm just going to bag all this stuff up since we know what we're doing.
Okay. Hey, we're back. Why are you doing that?
It's going to be a pain in the butt. Carry it out and move it around. There's one piece. Keep it from folding up.
Okay.
That, if we decide to leave it inside, I can set them
They're still
like that in the window. Instead of... I don't know. That's why I wanted to do it. Because I wanted to.
There's still ants in that.
I don't care about the ants. They'll be okay. 2 ants. 5 ants. 7. They're fine. Alright, so how are we going to do this? We were doing squash and cucumbers, right?
This one was going to be the...
Squash and cucumbers. Right?
I don't remember which one was supposed to be which.
It don't matter.
Okay.
How many we do? 2?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm just going to set them right there. I think these are what? How deep did it say to plant these? I don't know. You tore the thing off.
I didn't tear that one.
Shoving you about halfway in there. Put them back.
We are getting a kind of a late start on this garden. Ideally, we would have planted this a few weeks ago.
Yeah, 3 or 4 weeks ago. But it's alright. I mean, better late than never. And I'm just going to leave them right there. We're on the top of the soil.
Nice.
Was my idea. Then who's the shot
Uh-oh.
to?
One of them's just gonna get one.
Well, it should be
Or a few of them is just gonna get one.
pretty big and can act pretty mean.
Let's do some more squash. I like squash, right? I like squash more than I like cucumbers.
I have to be the bad guy.
Might as well, right?
Yeah.
You're so good at pretend. Remember how you scared twins last night?
Ooh, baby!
Two, right, Spike?
Uh-oh.
The kids turn on the surround sound.
Oh, no.
We have one. Just leave it.
See what happens.
We're gonna get a squash gunber.
Never fear. Never fear. I'm coming. Gotta make a big
I mean, the cucumbers are gonna vine out too.
perfect.
But stop. That's enough. I might have to get a cup of dirt and cover it, but I will in a second.
Okay.
Bubba, stop. Dry it up. That's enough. Thank you.
Oh, no. Yeah. He's too young to get it.
And it really doesn't matter that we don't know what's what,
Never fear.
because they're going in individual buckets anyways. Or cups, however you want to say it.
Oh, gee, thanks. For a second there, I thought I was... It's you.
Talk, woman.
You're here. I mean...
I don't know.
What's going on here?
I'm gonna get a little bit more dirt. I'll just cover these up a second.
Okay.
Daddy, no. Him save Littlefoot.
Now whatever is left over from these we'll probably take to the farmer's market
Right, little one?
or give to friends and family.
I was...
You'll be canning a
We
lot of
like
salsa.
we like to share.
Me see him. He fall very fast because he's a flyer like me. And this is very big and narrow. Nice long neck is there.
I don't know how profitable going to a farmer's market is, really.
Well, it's all gonna come into what did you spend on it.
Mhm.
Like, so we have a bunch of seed here. Obviously, we
Which
spent.
honestly,
Just past me.
I don't think we bought any of these.
Yeah, we bought all of this.
No, remember?
Justice gave us some of the squash and stuff. No, this is ours.
Oh yeah. But we got them all on clearance, so.
Yeah, I bought like at the end of
I think it was
summer,
August or
about fall,
September.
August, September, somewhere in there. They were on sale and it was like 60% off, and I was like, I'll give you $10 for this whole stand. It was like,
Oh, goodness. That didn't work so well. Let's
I'm sorry, Mom.
okay, Bubba.
There's still plenty for all.
it was you guys know what I'm talking about when he said the seed stands there at the stores.
And then they told me no, and I had to buy them individually like everybody else. So we still bought all of them. Anyways, this is clumped up. It got dew in it. Should have put a lid on it. It's alright. It's not gonna hurt it.
Well, we weren't exactly planning on planting more at the moment.
Yeah, and just kind of take the mud and pack it over the top. Like that. Ah! I don't know if we need to water it, to be honest, because there's a lot of moisture in this. Is it going to be, like, too compact for the...
That's what I was wondering, because you're kind of packing it down pretty hard.
I think it'd be alright. It's trial and error, right? We've never planted in an RV anyways. We should tag this. It's
RV garden.
RV garden. Mobile RV garden.
RB.
RV. RV. This is just good old dirt. I sifted as much weeds and stuff out as I could. I don't think it'll hurt it, to be honest. I really don't. And then...
And those are going back outside because there's ants crawling around in there.
Oh, that'd be alright. We'll get some 7 dust.
I'm stuck.
I think that's it.
Yep. Hey, we're probably not going to water it right now. We might water it later this
I'll water
afternoon.
this evening when we water all the others.
Wait, what time is it? Oh, I can't tell.
Where'd you get that scar?
So, we had 7 squash,
Sharp.
right?
Mm-hmm.
A sharp tooth.
3 cucumber.
I think I hear our friend.
Which we have a whole thing of cucumber out there.
Or no?
Nice doggy doggy.
That one was...
Cucumber. So there's 1, 2, 3.
No, that one was the Q squash. The
Oh, okay.
quash.
The quash.
The quash. Or the cucumber.
Cucumber.
I think we're going to call it cucumber.
Hey, my skin feels soft.
I don't know. We'll have to watch the video and see what we planted there. Yes! Video evidence. I'm just going to pour some,
No, they don't need coffee.
like Miracle Grow. We like crush up some Viagra, mix it in.
Alright, Daddy.
Yeah, that's too late. He's already shoved something in there. It's
Oh, Lord.
So, I guess we just set these outside and we'll water them this evening. When we water everything else.
Alrighty then. We will see you.
Mobile RV garden!